So let's start. Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavaditamastu Ma Vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om. ओके मेरा ये हो गया आप बोलो हाँ कौन सा वाला
गुरु ब्रह्मा
गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः.
साक्षात missing here. Okay.
You can change that. It's the same thing. Guru eva or साक्षात is same. फिर ये थर्ड ये है. Om Bhurvuvasvaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. What's the last one? Tvameva. Tvameva Mata Cha Pita Tvameva Tvameva Bandhu Cha Sakha Tvameva Tvameva Vidya Dravinam Tvameva Tvameva Sarvam Mama Deva Deva Tvameva Sarvam Mama Deva Deva. So we had done very important verses of Bhagavad Gita. I don't know if you heard you missed it, no? No, you missed it. Did you hear
So I didn't miss anything. How nice.
Huh?
You know, I looked at my thing to request you to please postpone the class for a day.
Which one? This
ये
one? हाँ किया ना
फिर
आपके लिए.
मैंने देखा कि oh it's already postponed. I was feeling so happy. I
Yeah,
said, oh,
तुम्हारे
now I
लिए
want
किया
this.
हमने हाँ तुम्हारे लिए किया.
Oh, thank you.
तो वेंसडे को किया ना.
Because you said no, you were coming, and then we checked with, and you thought you were coming on Wednesday.
I would have
because
come
you know
on
the way
Tuesday. No,
she
today is
said I'll
Wednesday.
see you tomorrow, and I saw that on Monday. I said no, tomorrow
Because
is not.
you must have decided last time and I didn't come. that
Right,
it's
but then
postponed
he
to
did
Wednesday.
mention it, but you didn't read it properly.
Yeah,
he did
I
say
put
that
the date
the
on
next
I never
class.
read your
And
emails
also the
because there's
time.
Not
no
emails,
log
no.
or those things.
It was on the.
In
I
WhatsApp.
don't open
WhatsApp.
it because then I have to listen to it.
No,
and
no,
it
it's a
takes time.
WhatsApp message. I didn't write on the mail.
She
I
just
wrote
told
WhatsApp.
yeah
I
WhatsApp
didn't get
message.
it.
You missed
Oh,
it.
I missed it, yeah.
So anyway, so then
I
I,
think
have
one
an
of
appointment
things
at
are coming on
2:30, so
WhatsApp,
that's why I
making me-
moved it 10:30. You know.
But I just go as selected ones because the spiritual one,
Yeah.
I'd go on. Because otherwise, my family one I don't.
Right.
So anyway, we did the two very important verses last time, and we talked about. We tried to understand what karma and akarma was,
Right.
and then we understood that what akarma is when you do it in that sakshi bhav,
Right.
and then nothing sticks to you, and because you understand the whole mechanics.
You're not the doer.
And another very important thing, action is that to give up the fruits of action, but in what context, that's what this verse is going to say, because there's so much misunderstanding about it.
Yeah.
And to me, then when we say that we need a guru to learn, that's why we need it, because the language is so subtle.
Yeah.
If we try to tackle it ourselves, we are bound to misunderstand
Yeah.
it.
Right.
So you have to have Shraddha in the guru.
Yeah.
Because and the reason we need to have Shraddha in the Guru, because he is living it and he is experimented everything, he's gone through the path
Right.
and he got it and he's there now.
It can save you a lot of time.
Yeah, he's in that peace and we see that and we know he got it
Right.
because of that. Otherwise, what's the proof? But then we saw the Sthita Pragnaka Lakshan.
Right.
That if he's in that mode, that means he got it.
Yeah.
You know? Okay. So here is verse 20. You have verse 20?
Fourth chapter, verse
Of
20.
chapter 4. ये है 24 है ये कौन से चैप्टर पे हो पहले ये 3 है 4 पे जाइए see this one tells you these ones tell you the chapter so when you go to 4
Oh, okay, 3.
keep
This is still
going
three.
keep moving
3. Oh,
4 and then go to verse 20 so I think that what they do is this is one that may be the verse numbers keep going go 5-6 pages because we are on 20. 15.
What is this 15?
15 keep going. ये अभी आएगा ये है 20.
Oh, 20.
So I'll chant the Sanskrit. Tyaktva karma phala sangam nityatrupto nirashrayah. Oh, wait a minute. Is that the one? No, I'm sorry. We start with 19. We finished 18 last time. So the verse is 19. Yasya sarve samarambhaha kama sankalpa varjitaha gnanagni dagdha karmanam tamahu panditam buddhaha. So the translation says, now he's talking about the people who have kind of reached that stage, sort of. Again, he's talking about Sthita Prajna. Because here Swamiji explained, because when I read it, then it will make sense what he's saying, otherwise it sounds confusing. That the person who has already reached there, how will he behave, what kind of action, when he does action, what will be his mindset? So that is our goal, that's where we want to reach. So whose undertakings are all devoid of desires and purpose, and whose actions have been burnt by the fire of knowledge, him the wise call a sage. So he's giving a definition of a sage ki bhi kaun hai. So here, very important thing he said. When you read this, you read it like this, that a person should not have a desire and purpose. So a normal person will say, मैं काम ही क्यों करूं? It sounds so bad and confusing, right? So that's what he said, that firstly try to make us understand that when we plan things, what happens to us. So planning is a shackle upon freedom of one's activity. So when we are planning something, okay, this is just in general he's talking about right now. Then he will come back to what it really means. So he's saying when we are planning, we are basically trying to force circumstances to change. मैं अपनी प्लानिंग करूँगी तो यही होगा ना. भगवान की मर्जी कोई और होगी, शायद दुनिया की मर्जी और होगी, मैं अपना लगा रही हूँ, तो उसमें कितना स्ट्रेस होगा, ये होगा, वो होगा. All of us agree?
फिर वो एक्सीडेंट होएगा.
हाँ, तो मतलब लेकिन
God's will and your will
yes, clash.
clash for accident.
Yes, yes. और
What is destiny?
इधर भी उधर भी यही हो रहा था ना कि अर्जुन wanted to run away and God wanted him to fight. तो वो अपनी चला रहा था ना, तभी उसको स्ट्रेस हो रहा था. Okay, so that's what first he explained, that this is what is going on. So he says that in all planning we are forcing the circumstances into a desired mold, a wished for pattern. We are trying to wish something. In thus driving the situation to mold themselves into a planned pattern, we are exhausting ourselves and vainly fighting against terrible odds. Okay, this method of activity drains away all inspiration and joy from the worker. You know, so now he's saying that. So we agree that desire for results during activity dissipates our energy. That he had discussed before. Remember, when you are doing some action, that's the time you should not be thinking of the result. ये नहीं कि don't plan. Of course we have to plan कि भाई मैं ये करूँगा तो मुझे ये मिलेगा. That's okay. But तुम जब काम कर रहे हो, उस वक्त अगर तुमने शुरू कर दिया मेंटल थिंग कि भाई आओ क्या होगा, एंजाइटी एंड पास्ट में ये हुआ था, फ्यूचर में ये होगा. Yes,
Whatever, you know.
that's what he's saying is wrong to do, because
But even plan is also same.
but he's going to come to it because
नहीं, what I'm saying why, because जैसे मुझे 96 में उसने अपना चार्ट बना दिया जोशी ने, this is what your life is going to be. Now if I take different decisions than I'm supposed to, then I cannot follow what he did for me, which was the destiny.
okay.
So with the same time, what came to me was no planning, nothing.
But in your
Let
case,
it happen.
you are an exception.
No, but I'm
Everybody's
just...
case is different. Yours is because you've already found a guru.
No,
and the
it
guru
was
is
not
guiding
just that.
you
But what I'm
directly, and
saying
you
is
are
that
going on the.
at any point, any decision you make, there are thousands of paths open up.
That I agree.
So there's only one path for you. How do you
But
find
then,
that path?
listen, you already, like she's saying, you
Yeah.
had somebody tell you 90%
Yeah,
of
right.
people
You
don't.
had a radar, you know.
Yeah.
Yes, हम लोग को नहीं मालूम, हमारे पास कोई
बट
ऐसी
रेडर
वो नहीं
मुझे
है.
याद नहीं था, वो तो उसने करा, मैंने कहा ठीक है.
आपको मिल गया,
बट
कोई
उसके
श्रद्धा है
बाद
आपको.
वो अंदर से आया ऊपर से कि डोंट इनिशिएट एनीथिंग.
Because you are kind of one step
Go in a
ahead.
neutral mode.
Yes, but
Yeah.
he's talking to people like Arjun
No,
and
I
us
understand, yeah.
that who have no issue of path and all, कौन सा जाए क्या जाए, उनको ये समझा रहे हैं कि क्या मैकेनिक्स है उसका. So पहले हमको ये समझना होगा कि what you are saying कि एक प्लानिंग होती है ईश्वर की और हमें वो पता नहीं है और हम अपनी मर्जी चला रहे हैं तो क्या होगा, all stress and all होगा. But he's also trying to tell us that when they say give up the fruit of action for the normal people, okay, who don't know, you can plan, you can expect some result, that's why you're doing it, but when you are doing that action, you
that is-
100% have to give up the result at that time because of what you are saying, number one, and because your job will not be good.
Right.
If even in cooking, if I'm cooking,
Yeah, I was just thinking of cooking.
Yeah, if I-
which is an everyday act.
because you guys are such great cooks, and you know, like if you start at that time start thinking, "Hi, I have to
अच्छा
impress
बनेगा
somebody,
कि
मैं
नहीं?"
अच्छा बनेगा या नहीं?" Hey, you just do with your skill the best, and you know, like there is one saying that Swamiji says, "Put your mind where your hands are."
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah.
means, and then sometimes I know that when I misplace things, it is 100% because my mind was not there. Otherwise, you'll never forget where you
So
put
they
your key.
always say, yeah, focus.
Focus on mindfulness or
If
be
you
in the
don't
present.
focus,
Present.
nothing
Be
will
in the
turn out
present.
okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
So
That's-
your job will only be good if you are in the present. That's what he's talking about, and that's what he's hashed it out in the previous ones. Okay, so that's what he's talking about.
Like
so
in
now,
Punjabi, they say, you know, man rab wal और हाथ काम विच.
अच्छा वो बताएगा.
ऐसे कुछ.
You know what? He's exactly what you said. He's going to say in the commentary that's what you
So
need to
can
do.
you translate what it means?
मन भगवान में होना चाहिए, काम हाथ काम में होना चाहिए.
Yeah.
और भगवान में means क्या? ये understanding at the back that I'm not the body, mind, and intellect. That's what it means. And oneness. That's what it
Yeah.
means. You know. Okay. So he's saying that, and then he opens up this what he's talking about. The fruit of action can only mature in a future period of time. We know that, right? Therefore, to court the result is to escape from the present and live in the unborn period of time. Yeah, it's like abhi aaya bhi nahi hai wo time. You're just thinking about it. So he's saying that's waste. And then he's saying it is a law that the effects depend entirely upon the cause. So whatever job you are doing, according to that you will get the result. So you have to be sincere and complete in our activities. Well, mind ही वहाँ नहीं है तो complete कैसे होगा अच्छे से काम? And then there are people who say, oh, मैंने इतना काम किया, मेरा result तो इतना खराब हुआ. And then if you go back and see, other time they were worrying and thinking, and that's why the job didn't come out good. You know, so that's what he's talking about. So now he's saying, he's taking those two words and he's analyzing them. He's saying that if we just take the word meaning, so it will say, oh, act without planning and without any desire for fruit. So in these two qualifications, he's saying you have to understand, and he used the word with kindness and sympathy.
Right.
Don't just take the word meaning like that. Because he's saying a literal meaning of these two terms should not be used here, as in that case, the statement would become absurd. Now, you are not finding the statement absurd because you already have some higher experiences, but normal people are going to find it absurd. So he's talking to the normal people. So now he's saying that when he says without planning and desire, so we should take a better intelligence and plan that, what he's saying is, let me read it maybe, and that will be better because this is kind of important. The instruction to act without planning and desire does not mean that man of equilibrium in his inspired activity should not make use of his better intelligence and plan his activities to gain a desired result. Because that's what we use our intelligence to, right? मैं ये करूं या ये ना करूं. अगर मैं ये करूंगी तो ये होगा, ये करूंगी तो he's saying that is perfectly fine. So then he opens it up. It only means that while he is at work, he should not allow his abilities and capabilities to run to waste with his mental preoccupation and sentimental fears regarding the result of his work. Vedanta does not in any way ignore man's intellect. The way of life, as advised in the Gita, provides only a more efficient means to act and achieve, to live and enjoy, cultivate and applying our own potentialities more intelligently. So that's one thing. And now he's telling what you said. He's saying an individual who has thus come to live intelligently and act diligently becomes fully wedded to the piece of work in hand, firstly, okay? And gets so entirely drunk with joy of his own inspiration that the action cannot leave upon him even a trace of its reaction. So वो इतना absorb हो गया है कि उसका he doesn't have any room for anything else.
Right.
जैसे वो वर्ड यूज करते हैं एक रस.
एक रस हो गया, बिल्कुल सही वर्ड है. Our mind and intellect will venture forth to worry over the unknown possibility and dangers unless, okay, they can find a more secure hold upon something nobler and diviner. A perfect sage is one whose mind is ever hitched on the cognition of the divine. So like you were saying, man rakho divine mein. So that even when he functions in the world outside, he is reveling in his own consciousness within. So that is the technique, because somewhere I think maybe in the next paragraph he says that we have to, maybe not here, maybe somewhere else I read in the next chapter, that humans, we like to attach, mind likes to attach to something, right? So he's saying, why you want to attach to worry and kind of, when you lament over what happened in the past. So dead moments or future. Agar attach karna hi hai, so then you attach to the higher means, the consciousness, God, you can say Ishta Devata, whatever you want to attach to. That's much better. So what you were saying, ki haath idhar rakho, mind attached hona chahiye wahan pe. Intelligence is working in the world, but तुम्हारा प्रेम और तुम्हारा वो सब उधर होना चाहिए, तब अच्छा होगा काम. That's what he's saying. So, and then he says, and then he opens up even more. He's saying that actually when he says that desire nahi karo, because these intellectual desires are nothing but expressions of our own spiritual ignorance. So when we heard that, right, कि भाई desire का reason क्या है कि when I know I'm not that Satchidanand, that's when अरे मैं ये करूँगा तो मुझे ये मिल जाएगा, वो करूँगा तो वो मिल जाएगा, ऐसे करके false ideas अपने head में होती हैं. And then he says when ignorance has ended and we have the cognition of the truth, desire must also end, finished. And then we also read na कि वो क्यों करता है काम. So now he's talking about that. So, and such a saint, even when he is found to be working in the world outside, is but expressing the will of divine and not his own desire. Yeah. And that's where you were talking from. Yeah. And therefore it is said that the actions are burnt by the fire of knowledge. So वो जो भी काम कर रहा है वो किसी और की मर्जी, ऊपर वाले की मर्जी बोलो या for a higher purpose, right, for a higher thing he's doing it. So he doesn't think that he's going to gain something from it because he already is firstly happy and blissful, but he still works in the world because he is following the will of God. And even in Bhagavad Gita, because we are doing Bhagavad Gita, in chapter 11, when जब विश्व रूप दर्शन उसको दिया गया, तो उसको सब दिखाई दे गया. He saw, right, and he saw that all those people were dead. Yeah. And he had won the war. So Krishna Bhagwan said, this war, you just become the instrument. You have nothing to do with क्या होना चाहिए, वो तो किसी और का काम है. But we are making you the instrument, so you take that job, because the other way of looking at it, if you are not going to take the job, we'll give it to somebody else. Yeah. Then you will, तुम्हारी glory खत्म हो जाएगी दुनिया में. So that's what it is, whole thing. I thought it was so nicely explained everything. So, and then he says, now he's talking about by thus painting the psychology of the stage at work, Lord Krishna is indicating with what mental attitude and intellectual composure Arjun, a seeker, should enter his field of activity. And then he says that usually, like if I want my son to be a doctor, so I will give him an example of a successful doctor. Hey, you should become like that. So that's why Krishna Bhagwan is giving all this. Hey, this is how realized soul will work. you should work with the same attitude, then you're going to get something. So that's what this one is. So everybody understood the fire of knowledge, why he said that it's burnt in fire of knowledge. Actions are burnt. And then one more verse, we will do a Bhagavad Gita of the same, verse 20, and that will even explain even further. So the verse is, Tyaktva karma phala sangam nityatrupto nirashrayaha karmanya bhi pravrittopi naiva